the following is most likely the mechanism of action of this disinfectant? And it's hydrogen peroxide. And all of us know from like 8th grade that it's, formation of free radicals. So that's not what I would want you to take away from this. What's more important from this question is what other options are implying, right? So every time you get a question which is like super easy for you guys, just remember that, finding out what the other options are, implying is also important, because I'm pretty sure the intercalation of DNA, congealing of cytoplasm, those two options would have been like, okay, I don't know what disinfectant does this, right? Halogenation of nucleic acids happens as a mechanism of action of your iodine, right? Cross-linking of proteins, that is done by mainly aldehydes, formaldehyde, right? Stuff like that. And yeah, so formaldehydes. So this guy is using hydrogen peroxide on his skin, right? On a plantar aspect of the foot, right? So aldehydes do not, you don't use it directly on the skin. So, but it's not that, in this question itna farak nahi padta, but I would want you guys to know कि, aldehydes you don't use directly on the skin, right? It's obviously crossing proteins, so it's going to coagulate proteins. You don't want that, right? Intercalation of DNA, and that is done by bacterial ecrodine dyes, and congealing of the cytoplasm is done by chlorhexidine. And these two can be used on the skin, but still, the answer for this particular question was pretty simple. But yeah, just make sure that you guys know what other options are implying.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.